I'm Mac. Welcome to Mac's Garage, and here's my Jeep that we finally got from storage. So this is a 2000 Cherokee XJ. I actually originally bought this for my husband for a wedding present. But now it's mine and I'm gonna work on it. So we're trying to get it ready for trail riding. We have wires to fix. We're gonna change the engine out. We're gonna rebuild it. We've got a V8 over here where this one's an inline 6. We have to fix the mirror. It doesn't have one. We have a window to fix because while it was in storage, a rock hit it. So there's good stuff on there. It's got a body lift right now, but we're gonna add an additional lift, like a 4-inch lift. The top of it needs to be sanded and repainted. Pretty nasty up there. And then I want to learn how to wrap, and I feel like this is a great vehicle to wrap on because nobody has to see it if I messed it up. But we'll have to fix the door first because I know me and we cannot do that. In general, this is pretty good shape for what it is. When we bought it, the guy thought it had a blown up motor, so we got a pretty good deal for it. I hope you stick around to see everything that we do with it to get it ready for the trails. So this window is actually here. We rolled it down to make sure that we could pull this piece out. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is there is a screw here, here, and here that you're gonna undo. All right, Phillips 3. So we're gonna pry this off. All right, pull it out, lift it up, and then you're gonna disconnect. So you pull the tabs for each of these and then just pull them out. And then this one, you pull the tab for it and pull the door away from it. So we're gonna pull down. So it's got this little hook thing. You had to pull it to the side and pull it down. And then, okay. All right. And then push it back to the right. Yeah. Okay, so push it higher and it's easier to catch. In the bottom again. Through the handy dandy hole. Hopefully I don't lose it again. Okay. All right, now to put everything back on. So put these back through. And then try to get the sticky stuff to work as much as it will, which isn't much apparently. Okay, put that trim piece back on. And so, what I was talking about before, to take them off, you turn these. There we go. And then you pop it on there. And then same with the bottom one. Pop it on there. And then we'll pop this in. There we go. Okay. As we take it off, you'll up and pull down. All right, now we have a new window. So thanks for being here while I fix my first window. I hope you subscribe below and tune in next time to figure out why the engine is running like crap. It's idling too low and we just need to figure out what is actually wrong with it so that way we can start taking it out again.